Hello everyone, my name is Brianna and I'm going to walk you through step by step how to add and edit captions in YouTube Studio. First, go to youtube.com. In the upper right corner, you'll see your profile icon. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. Choose the third option labeled YouTube Studio. Once here, in the upper right corner, click on Create. A drop-down menu with two options will appear. Click the first one labeled Upload Videos. Click Select Files. A pop-up with all the files on your computer will appear. Choose which file you want and click Open in the lower right corner. After the video file finishes uploading and processing, you will enter the details of your video, including a required title and optional description. Next, you'll scroll down and choose your video thumbnail. I always feel they're a bit silly, so I'm going to choose to make it a smiley face. After you're done choosing your thumbnail, you can indicate whether you want to add it to a playlist. Scroll down again, and then choose your audience. You are required to indicate whether your video is made for kids. Unless your video is specifically made for kids, select the option No, it's not made for kids. In the lower right corner, click Next. Choose any additional video elements, and then click Next in the lower right corner. Choose your video visibility. There are three options: private, unlisted, and public. I typically choose unlisted so that only people with the link can access and watch my video. However, you can choose any of the options. Once you've made your selection, click Save in the lower right corner. A pop-up will appear telling you your video is published. In the lower right corner, click Close. Back on your channel dashboard, you'll see a menu under your profile icon to the left. Click the second option labeled Content. Now, you'll see a list of all your content. The most recent video you uploaded is on the top. Hover over to the right of the video thumbnail. 5 options will appear. Click the one right next to the video shaped like a pencil labeled Details. Under the video preview on the upper left, there are some options below. Scroll down to the last option labeled Subtitles. Now, you'll see 2 rows of subtitles. If you don't have either of these yet, give it a few minutes to load. On the far right, click Duplicate and Edit. A pop-up will appear showing an auto-generated transcript next to your video. Add corrections as necessary in the text box. We are almost there. Once you're satisfied with your captions, you're ready to publish your video. In the upper right corner, click Publish. This will bring you back to the video subtitle screen. In the upper left corner, you'll see your video thumbnail. Hover over it, and then click View on YouTube. Your video will open in a new tab. On the bottom of the video, you'll see several options. Towards the right, click on the little box with two C's. This turns on the subtitles/captions you just created.
Hello, everyone.
And that's it. You're all done. There are a couple more features I'd like to show you. Under the video, you'll see options to like, dislike, share, and save. Next to that, there are three little dots. Click those. A pop-up will appear with two options. Choose the bottom one labeled Open Transcript. The transcript will appear next to the video in the upper right corner. Now you can see the captions and full transcript simultaneously. Now I'm going to complete the same process for this video. Remember, accessibility, habit, not hindsight.